Gross domestic product, or GDP, provides a measure of the performance of the economy. This is done by getting the total market value of all final goods and services produced within the economy in a given time. In the Philippines, GDP is reported quarterly by the Philippine Statistics Authority. The PSA compiles data from surveys, administrative records, and financial statements. It then computes for GDP through the following approaches. In the production approach, GDP is calculated by getting the sum of the gross value added of each industry within an accounting period. Gross value added is defined as the difference between the value of the output and the value of intermediate consumption. For instance, Company A manufactures cell phones. For the second quarter of 2018, it produced 2 million pesos worth of cell phones. This is the company's output. To get the gross value added, Company A has to deduct the value of all the inputs it used in the production process. Let's say the value of all inputs is 1.1 million pesos. When deducted from the output, the gross value added of Company A is 900,000 pesos. How about the 1.1 million pesos? Where is this accounted? This is accounted under the companies that produced the inputs used by Company A. For the expenditure approach, GDP is calculated by adding up the expenditures of the economy. This includes household final consumption, government final consumption, capital formation, and net exports. If amounts spent on final goods and services are accounted in the expenditure approach, income from the production of final goods and services are accounted in the income approach. For the income approach, GDP is computed by getting the sum of the factors of production. In summary, GDP is the total market value of all final goods and services produced within the economy in a given time. Three approaches are used in estimating GDP: the production approach, the expenditure approach, and the income approach. To see official estimates on GDP, kindly visit the PSA website at www.psa.gov.ph.